Hello everyone, thank you for your help. I am very glad to thank you all for the help you've given with this SKQ 1010 in this problem since yesterday we are having with the axis malfunction, and I'm very glad to thank you all for that help. My experience with the CNC technical team was very fine. They offered all the help that we needed, and thanks for their support. We could manage all that situation, especially this period of the year, in the Chinese New Year. So thank you everyone. Thank you for your help. See you next time.